Hi, I'm Monopoly, Cosmetic Chemist and trainee here at the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make an advanced repair night serum. Now let me show you how to put it together. Okay, so firstly I've got my water phase here. Now to build my serum I am going to make a slurry of some virescent xanthan in some propane diol. This is going to bring really good stability to our serum, build a little bit of structure as well. Okay, I'm just going to add that one to my water phase once I've got a smooth slurry with no lumps. And just give that a stir. And you can see that's formed a nice low viscosity gel. Now, next thing I'm going to add to my serum are just a few lipids. I'm not going to add anything too heavy or greasy because you don't want like a big greasy film sitting on your face, but you do want to add a bit of emolliency and you do want to have a little bit of softness as well. So I have a little bit of jojoba oil. This is a really good wax ester. It's got a nice balancing skin feel, so light, dry, but also nice and soft and emollient. I've also got a small input of the Sedja Soft PFO by BASF. This is a plant oil. And then I've just got a bit of Floramac 10 by Floratech. This is a really nice light long spreading ester. Now in a serum that doesn't contain any emulsifiers, it's the Realogy modifier here that's going to be doing all the stabilizing. So you do need to be careful with your lipid input and then also with your Realogy modifier input. So you need enough that's going to stabilize the oils, but you obviously don't want it to be too thick. And you also with xanthan need to be careful with too much in a leave-on product as it can be sticky and tacky. Okay, so next is all my actives and added extras. So firstly, I'm going to start with some hyaluronic acid. Now, a good thing with a night repair serum is you need some hydration in there when you've been out in the environment all day or you've been out in the elements. It's really good to replenish your hydration. As we age, we do tend to lose a bit of hydration, and also during the cooler months or cooler seasons as well. I'm also going to add some ceramides. This is a ceramide complex by CLR. This again, ceramides we do lose as we age, and they also do decrease as it gets cooler, so it's really good to make sure that you're replenishing your skin with moisture and hydration. Next, I'm just adding a small input of some aloe vera extract. This is just going to add to the story and the marketing. Aloe vera is really good for soothing and hydration as well. I've also got some Probio Balance by CLR as well. This is a type of probiotic. So the Probio Balance is really good to rebalance tired and stressed skin. So again, this is really good for adding to a night repair serum. Now the next one I'm going to be adding here is the Night Essence by Ashland. This is a really good active that's going to help the skin recuperate through the night. So it helps boost the skin's nocturnal molecules. So this is associated with night repair, night detox and renewing and that type of stuff. And it's made up of a few enzymes. So it's got thymozyme, melatonin, and also nocturin. It's also good night repair of daily damages. So it helps with, any damages you would have gotten from the sun, like any cell damage. It also reduces formation of oxidant species induced by visible light. It helps to renew the epidermis by appearing thicker and restored. And it's also got some really good data showing how the skin looks rested after the active was applied for 3 to 4 weeks. So it's looking rested, renewed and illuminated with less dark circles around the eyes. This also has some good data for hair as well. So you can add this into a leave-on hair product. So really, really good active to use there. And this also comes back to, the mind and skin connection and how that can assist with you sleeping better. Of course, you do need to be very careful with how you market these types of claims. This is why we've called it Advanced Night Serum or Advanced Repair Night Serum, because you can't actually claim that it's going to help with your sleep, because that is a physiological claim which cosmetics can't make, even if we do have the data there to support it. Next, I'm going to be adding my preservative. I'm going to be adding a little bit of antioxidant, and I'm just going to go in here with a small input of a couple essential oils. So I'm just using a little bit of Lang Lang and also some Palma Rosa. just to give it a nice floral scent. You can of course pick your own or use a blend, whatever you've got on hand. Okay, lastly, we're just going to check and adjust our pH. And we're just going to cover that and leave that overnight just to look for any signs of instability. And also check the viscosity the next day as well. Okay, and here is what our Advanced Night Repair Serum is looking like the next day. It's thickened up a little bit, not too much. It's still really good serum viscosity. And it's obviously looking very, very stable as well. And that's spreading really nice. It feels really soft. It's not heavy, it's not greasy. It's also got no tack as well. That's because we've used a good humectant. We've used propanediol. Sometimes if you use glycerin or over a certain input of glycerin, it can feel sticky and tacky, but this one feels really, really nice. It's still giving a nice emollient, soft skin feel, but without that heavy greasiness of plant oils. Well, there you go. That's how easy it is to make a Advanced Night Repair Serum. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to receive notification on the rest of our videos. Happy formulating!